In case you haven't heard, InstyMe's extended hosting has been taking the industry by storm. These guys said goodbye to their current hosting companies and came to InstyMe because they were sick and tired of looking at this. And this while they were trying to build their online businesses. These and so many more are starting to realize that you deserve more when it comes to your hosting provider. Right now, your current big box host is doing absolutely nothing to help you with your online business. They are not helping you build responsive websites, they're not helping you capture leads, they're not helping you master email marketing, and they're definitely not helping you save time and increase your return on investment. This right here is a major reason why 98% of all online businesses fail before they even begin, and could be why your online business has failed in the past or is struggling to get some traction right now. But really, it's not your fault. It's your host's fault, because they are only providing you with one small part of the puzzle, getting you a place for your website, and that's it. Which is why in 2013, InstyMe's extended hosting was created to essentially answer all of your questions, give you the tools and services you need connected together to give you a successful online presence in one platform with the least amount of effort needed. Because when you have everything you need and a platform that's easy to use, building a business is no longer difficult. With Insty, you can easily create responsive websites. You can easily collect leads and maximize your earnings per visitor. You can easily master email marketing and push more sales to your sites than ever before. And you can definitely leverage your time and efforts to get the most return on investment. All because you have the right host that recognizes there is much more to an online business than just a website. So right now, I'd love to take a few minutes and walk you through exactly what Insty's extended hosting is all about and show you what you deserve from your hosting company. Hello, my name is Nick Joel, and I'm the founder and creator of InstyMe, and that is me right there. And I had the privilege to be able to work with those people that we saw at the beginning of the video, and working with them together, we have been able to create the best hosting platform on the planet. And today I want to take a few minutes and show you a quick rundown of Insty and why it's the platform that you deserve for your online presence. And when we're done, I think you'll agree that the current hosting platform you have may not be cutting it in this day and age. Now, I just want to let you know that this video that you're watching right here, we've recently updated this video to be able to show you one of our newest platforms here at Insty. And you'll definitely want to see this. This is huge, and I'm making a very special package just for you personally at the end of this video. So I'm going to show you all about it, and I'm going to show you what I'm putting together very special for you. So be sure to watch this at the very end because you will definitely not want to miss it. Now, I'm going to just jump right in and show you our client area here. And normally when you have hosting with a big box host, you have something that looks like this, which is, to me, just really, really confusing, which is why we created our client area to be able to help you get your work done. So one thing I wanted to show you right off the bat is what we call our Insty Sites screen. This screen is really neat because it has all of your sites right here in a little window that allows you to jump directly in them just by clicking a button right here. Now imagine being able to jump directly into any one of your WordPress sites just by clicking a button. So there's no more logins, there's no more, hey, I forgot my passwords and things like that. You're able to jump into any one of your sites and get some work done. Now, what's really cool about this is that when you sign up with Insty, we're able to transfer all of your sites from your current host, from that current big box host, into us here at Insty. So if you have a website right now that's a WordPress website, we're able to add it here, and you can set up the one-click WordPress login really, really easily. This is probably one of the most important things our customers use on a daily basis. Another cool part of the Insty Site Tools is that we have backup and restore available to your WordPress sites. So all you have to do is simply set this up, and then you're able to have the system take a backup of your WordPress sites for you. So now you don't have to worry about what plugin that you have to use to install. We know that plugins are great, but every one of those plugins that you have in your site just works to slow it down. So if we can have the system do some of this stuff for you, it'll make your sites load faster than they've ever been able to do before. Now from in here we have our direct cPanel logins, so you can jump right into cPanel. You can get in your email accounts, add-on domains, subdomains, webmail. We are a cPanel host. It's just that we created a client area to do everything inside cPanel super easy. Our goal is to give you the most complete hosting, but the easiest hosting at the very same time. Now this next one really is a game changer, and we call it InstiSites. And these sites here, these take those automatic WordPress installs that every other host has. You know, those ones where you click a few buttons and then you're left with a site that looks something like this. This takes that process and blows it up and just takes it way off into the future. This is something that no other host has ever been able to do. We're the first ones to do this, and we're really excited about it. So now you don't have that blank WordPress install that you've always seen before. This is the first WordPress complete site template system that's ever been created. Now, what does this mean for you? This means that you can come down here and essentially click a button on any one of these themes, and when you come back up here and click install site, what this does for you is that this installs WordPress. It then grabs a theme, and a lot of these are premium themes that normally cost other people money, but we have agreements that allow you to install these on your sites for no charge. So it installs the themes, it installs some of our plugins, which I'll tell you about in a little bit, and it also installs some information. If I can bring it from a technical standpoint, it installs work that we've already done. We've taken and we've built these themes, and we put demo information inside them. So essentially, when you see these sites, they are a built, complete site with demo information. So all you have to do is come in, you change some data to make this site your own. Again, no other host has ever done this. This is something that is unique to Insti, and we are adding new sites to this daily. And these sites are, again, these are premium responsive sites that when you have them complete, they look awesome. Let me just show you what one looks like. And this is the agency theme. And when you install it, it puts in demo information, so all you have to do is come in and make changes to it. And we also have videos that we put alongside, so you can come in and check out how to make changes to these, and if you need any support, where to go and get that support for these premium themes. But these themes look awesome right off the start, and you will normally find that when you install a site, you have to do so much work to it right off the bat to make it look like this, which is why we've done the work already for you. We've put the work in so that when you install this is a complete site, and you just have to change some information. Now, just a few minutes ago, I mentioned that we install plugins in these Insti sites, and one of the things our customers love about Insti is the fact that we create software to give you a better experience here inside your hosting account. One of the things we created is a plugin called the Insti Forms plugin. This plugin is built specifically to allow you to capture leads and build lists. So in every one of our Insti site templates, we installed our Insti Forms plugin. And this plugin makes it so that you never have to worry about what plugin to use to capture your leads. This plugin is integrated with our other systems like the Insti Mailer, which I'll show you in just a minute, but it allows you to collect those leads. It puts them right into your mailer so that you're able to build those lists easier than you've ever been able to before. And as well, it allows you to do some things with opt-in forms that normally cost a subscription for everybody else. Now, one of our customers, Philip, says that this functionality here at Insti and Insti Forms normally costs people $29 to $39 per month just to have this. But this is what we build in to give you a full, easy experience here at Insti. And we have a lot of different opt-in forms that you can come in and choose, and we add to these all the time so that you're able to have some of the latest technology right at your fingertips right here in Insti. And again, we build this into every one of the sites. Now, this plugin isn't just for the Insti sites that we build. If you're coming from another host and we bring your stuff in, you're able to download this plugin and install it right into your site like you would any other WordPress plugin and take advantage of the Insti Forms right inside your account. We're really excited to be able to offer this to people. Now, one of the coolest things for me is being able to watch our customers build their lists and become masters of email marketing just from having these things at their fingertips. When you have the Insti Forms, you're able to link this up to the Insti Mailer super easy, and then you're able to jump right into your Insti Mailer and mail those leads easier than you've ever been able to do before. Now, if you notice, everything that we do inside the client area is a one-click. You click, you jump right in. There's no tons of passwords to remember. We just try to make it easy. So what you're looking at right here is what we call the InstyMailer. Now imagine being able to have an email marketing service that you don't have to pay a monthly fee for. Imagine being able to store your leads in a place where you control the leads, where you're able to import those leads, and where you're able to mail those leads whenever you want without having a separate monthly fee. Having this mailer right at your fingertips and being able to come in and send an email anytime you want to, and being able to have all of those templates right at your fingertips so that you can just jump in, make changes to an email, and then simply come and click the send button so you can send it, blast it out there, and push more sales to your site than you've ever been able to do before. This has been an incredible game changer for our customers. Now there's so much more InstyMailer that I'd love to show you, but this is a great thing to be able to jump into as soon as you get your Insty account. Just be able to jump in there, check out everything about the mailer, and see how easy it is to use and see how easy it is to add your current list to as well. Now as I said earlier, our customers love the stuff that we put together for them, the software that we create to make this experience really easy. And the one thing I wanted to show you here that we've done that no other host has done is we created our own app that you use specifically for your hosting account. We call it the Insty app. With Insty app, you're able to do things with your hosting account that you could never do anywhere else. And we built this specifically because we know that it's very important to just being able to jump in and get work done. So I'm going to click Insty Post, which allows me to jump right into my WordPress site and allows me to just start creating content. And since creating content is now way easier to do with the Insty app, you can do it all the time and create new, unique, dynamic content to increase the rankings on all of your sites. Now let me show you how the Insty app allows you to add dynamic content. We can easily add a YouTube video directly from YouTube. Click on any YouTube video that you want, and then just select the thumbnail that you want added to your site. It automatically adds the iframe with all of the correct HTML and everything that you need directly in your post without having to add any plugins. Remember what we said about plugins before. They add great functionality to your website, but when you're able to do stuff to your site without adding plugins, you add way more speed and way more power to the site. And remember, Google loves speed. So if you can get the most speed from your site, you're going to get the best rankings from your site as well. And being able to easily add dynamic content to your site gives you a huge advantage as well. I'm going to show you real quickly what the image editor built in the Insty app is able to do for you. Having images added to your site just gives you a huge boost, but you want to make sure you add these images the right way, which is why we included this image editor inside the Insty app. You want to be able to size the pictures correctly, which easily can be done. And then you want to be able to make it so that these pictures look great for the people on there. Because one thing that's very important is that nowadays people are sharing all kinds of things. And if you can put in content that gets shared, your rankings will get a huge boost as well. Which is why I like to make my images look really, really neat. Which I really love this tool. I do this all the time. So I'm easily able to add, edit, resize all my pictures. And when I'm done with them, when I'm ready, I just click save here. Then I'm able to come back to my post, click on the Add Media screen, and you'll see the picture that I just edited right there, added to my media, ready for me to pop right into my editor. This is some of the power that's inside the Insty app. Now, if you're out there and you want to make a little bit extra money with Amazon, we have the best Amazon affiliate module in the industry, where you essentially just come to Amazon, you find a product that you want to put into your website, and you click a button. What Insty app does is it goes out and gets every single picture that's available at Amazon and allows you to easily add it to your site by just clicking on the picture. And you can also come back up here and add a text link to your site. So if we come back to the site, we notice that all those pictures that we just added are there and they're ready to be clicked on. And anytime somebody clicks on any of those images or your link, they get cookied over there at Amazon. You get a commission for anything they buy, not just for the thing that's inside the site, but anything that they buy for 24 hours after they travel through your link. Now again, there's so many cool things about Insty app that I could show you here, but this is one thing that I'm really excited for you to be able to play with when you jump in and get your Insty account. You're going to love how fast it is and how it adds so much speed to your hosting account. You're going to really love that you have a dedicated app for everything you want to do inside Insty. Now those are the 4 things that I wanted to touch on that Insty's extended hosting is all about, but I'm actually forgetting about a couple very important things. And if I just have a few minutes, I want to share this with you. One of the most important things that our customers love is our support, which is why when you're inside the client area, when you're anywhere on our website, you're going to see how you can contact us if you need any help at all. And we're always here 24/7 to help you with anything that we possibly can. I always say when you're with us here at Insty, you're part of the Insty family. So I want you to feel like family. As soon as you join us, you are in the family, and I look forward to working with you. Now the second thing I wanted to show you, now this is our affiliate program right here. We call it our partner program, and our customers love our partner program for the simple reason is that this is an exclusive program for them. And they're able to tell their friends about Insty and tell them how Insty changed their life and their online business. And because they're able to tell them, they simply give them a link. And if any of their friends travel that link and purchase, they are able to get a commission from that sale. And we pay them monthly. So a lot of people have collected a lot of money just by telling them how Insty has changed their life. We're really excited to be able to have this. And as an Insty customer, you are able to be in the exclusive partner program. So being able to work with you and help you through all of your online business is great. Being able to give back is even better. All right, now if you remember back at the beginning of the video, I said that we actually updated this video so we could show you a brand new system here at Insty. Now if you've ever struggled with creating good looking lead pages, good looking funnels, product funnels, affiliate funnels, you're gonna love this. We call this Insty Pages. This is a true game changer. I'm really excited to show you, and probably the best way to do this is just jump in. We're gonna create a great looking responsive lead page, and I already kind of have one set up. But I got a blank slate here, and I'm going to show you everything that we need to do. The only thing I have set here is a page 2 that essentially says thanks, all right? So we're going to start with our main page. And if you've ever worked with blocks, I'm talking like the toy blocks that you might have sitting around your house, that's how easy it is to create a page with Insty Pages. So I come over here, I select a block, I drag it in, boom, it puts a whole block there, already formatted. These are responsive formatted, ready for you to just change some content. And I'm gonna add a few more. Actually, the next thing I'm gonna add is a call to action button. So simply you just come and you drag and you drop a whole block at a time. I'm gonna add a text section with a headline, drag it down, add it in. I'm gonna add a nice looking content section with a cool little icon right at the bottom. Okay. I'm going to add another text section, but this time it's going to be a darker one. All right, looks great. And now I'm going to put a footer at the end. And actually, one thing I'm going to do at the very end, I'm going to add a model block, and I'll show you what this is. This is probably the coolest part of it, but I'm going to put that model block right at the end, all right? So if you look, literally 15-20 seconds, I have a full page, a full landing page just kind of dropped out. Everything looks great. All I have to do now is go in and adjust some content. So you can come to content mode, simply click on the headline and change the text. It's literally that simple. If you want to change this picture, check this out. You go to details, click on the picture. We have a whole image library that's already in there for you. If you want an icon, check out all these icons that we have here for you. You want to change this? Let's put some money in there. Just simply click the button and you hit apply. We got all kinds of stuff. We got icons, backgrounds, everything in there. Well, I want to show you really quick. This one's going to be really neat. Okay, content section, go down to the bottom. This one right here, drag it right there. Check out these sections. These are just amazing sections. Go to details, click on the picture. I'm going to select one of the backgrounds that we have. This one here. Boom, looks great. Hit apply. Man, these are just amazing web pages that you can create in literally seconds. You can come in here. Now remember, I told you we're going to put this section down here. This is called a model block. The reason we create Insty Pages is to give our customers the ability to capture leads and to make more sales with their websites. Now we know that people have WordPress and everything, but this is simply the easiest way to capture a lead. And this one right here is what we call a pop-up, and it's a pop-up model. And so what I'm going to do here, now remember, since you're in the Insty platform, everything in here is easy. You know that you already have email marketing linked up with your account, okay? So all I have to do, go to details, come to this opt-in form, click on it, come in here, and then I select the company within my mailer, and the list that I want them added to, right? So there's no going out, copying, pasting any kind of HTML code. Nope, it's not even needed, right? You just come here, click on it, make the change. I'm going to hide the name field, and I'm going to set it to redirect to my second page. Now, I already showed you that page, but you'll see that I created that page in literally a second, and this one I created in literally a minute, okay? So if we want to, we could change the video, we can change the button, and we're going to actually do that right now. We're going to go into the button. I'll change the color, all right, to make it green. I like green, all right? Now go to the link, and I'm going to choose that block at the end, the model section 1, okay? Just go with me here. This is going to be awesome. You'll see how awesome this is. All right, I'm going to hit apply changes. I'm going to hit save. That's pretty much it. My landing page is done, right? I'm going to hit publish and publish this up to my website. And this is already linked. This is pre-linked into your hosting account, so you don't have to worry about DNS settings or anything like that. Like when you're using any of the other guys that are out there in the industry, you have to set up all kinds of crazy stuff. We're already a hosting company, so we have your WordPress sites. We have everything that we need, but now you're able to add these awesome Insta pages to it as well. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page and see that our landing page comes up, bam, just like that. And we have our green button right now, so check this out. We're going to go all the way to the bottom. Look at that awesome looking picture. That's just awesome. We're going to go to the button, click on the button, bam, there's our model pop-up. We can enter our email address. It gets sent right over to that other page. You've never had a system this easy. If you can play with blocks at home, you can create an awesome looking landing page, and you can make changes to this really easy. Check this out. I'm going to go to details, click on this. I'm going to have this one pop up the model as well. So I'm going to bring it to model section, hit apply changes, and publish. All right, again, whoops, I got to save it. This is already tied into my hosting account. That's how awesome this is. So I'm going to go over here, refresh the page there, go down to that bottom button that I just set, click it, bam, there's the model again. Again, this has just never been as simple as it is right now. We're really, really proud to introduce this to you, and we're really excited to see some of the sites that you're going to build with this. This is awesome, and like I said at the beginning, I'm going to offer you something very, very special here. Other services that do the very same thing as this charge anywhere from $47 to $97 to $297 per month just to have this. But here at Insta, you have a full hosting account system along with a super easy landing page and funnel system right at your fingertips. You want to do WordPress? Done. You want to do landing pages? Done. You want to do product funnels? Done. You want to do email marketing? Done. Everything is here for you right at Insta. You don't have to go looking anywhere else. Anything you possibly need to do is right here. So the thing I want to do for you today, since you're watching this updated video of ours, I'm going to do something huge. I'm going to go ahead and add the Insta Pages system directly to your Insta business account. This is a $47 a month value. I'm going to add it directly to your account, so you can do WordPress. You can do an unlimited amount of WordPress sites. You can do an unlimited amount of Insta Pages. It's right there. It's all ready for you just for joining Insta today. And remember, if you're coming to Insta from another hosting account, we will transfer in your sites for free. Just let us know during the order process. Just click the button that says transfer yes, and we'll tell you exactly what we need, and we'll bring it over and we'll manage the whole process for you. Can't be simpler. So today I'm really excited because now you see exactly what our extended hosting actually means, how it gives you what you need, and why we're taking the industry by storm. It's not just about saving money. It's about having what you need to succeed. But when you can save over $2,000 a year at the same time, this is not even including the Insta Pages system. It really makes it nice. And when you consider all of the extra value and the ease of use that's built in, it makes switching to Insta one of the best business decisions you can make. So join the Insta family today and take me up on my special offer. Insta Pages will be included in your Insta business account for the life of your account. It's not going to last long, I guarantee it. And it might not be available even if you refresh this screen. So be sure to click that button below right now to join the Insta family today. I'm really excited to be able to work with you personally and excited to have you experience what it's like having more from your hosting company, because really, you deserve more. Thanks again for visiting today, and I look forward to working with you personally. Go ahead and click the button below to join Insta risk-free right now. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.